Hello there tech lovers. Today we bring you another Blender tutorial in which we will teach you how to make grass in Blender with a simple effect called the particle effect. First of all, we delete this cube, we add a plane and we resize the plane. Now what we'll do is go into the edit mode, click W and subdivide it. Now as you can see, what we'll do is increase the number of cuts and decrease the factorial rate to 0.4 or maybe zero point 0.3 and increase the cuts. You can see we have a wavy plane, so this will be a good land on which we can grow our grass. We'll just give it a smooth shading so that it does not look uneven. Now we'll go into the particle. Here you can see particles. We'll just do a new. We'll go for hair. Now you can see the hair already here. We'll change the number to around 70,000. You can make it as you like. The hair length would be 0.3 so that it looks like grass. Lastly, what we'll do is we'll go into the advanced setting. You can see Brownian in the physics column. What we'll do is we'll increase the Brownian a bit. What this will do is, as you can see, now it will give it a grass-like texture. Into the material, we color the grass green, and when you go into the rendered mode, you can see the grass is green. That's it. You can play with the effects on the particle accelerator according to you. Thank you so much. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.